midnight. It's 12:46. I'm at a buddy's house. I'm like an exit away from my house, but the Subaru's making this weird noise. I know you can hear it. It's coming from that direction. I think it's the wheel bearing. Like, I'm trying to stay below 50, below 60. Because if I pull a certain way, like it straightens out, like the noise gets quieter. But as it's pulling, like it's pulling itself to the right a little. So I'm assuming it's like a wheel bearing over there. I'm gonna have to wake up early in the morning and diagnose this thing. It's too late to figure it out right now, but something's definitely going on that wheel over there. I just wanted you guys to hear the noise. Alright, figure this out in the morning. If you go at lower speeds, you don't really hear the noise anymore. It's kind of quiet, but if you speed up a little bit, yeah, you can definitely hear that. But then again, if I brake, because again I'm going at slower speeds, it tends to go away. I feel like it's the wheel bearing or the actual hub itself, because it sounds like the wheel is hitting on something. Like it sounds like a whoop 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 sound. See, hear that? Alright, thankfully I'm here at my exit, so I'm gonna park Vanessa for tonight, wake up early in the morning and try to diagnose her. You see I brake and go my turn, everything's good. Pretty sure it's the wheel bearing or the hub. I'm gonna have to figure that out in the morning though. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning guys, what is going on? Let's see. Ugh. It's cold, I didn't know it was raining. It sucks, this really sucks, man. Good morning guys, I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. Overslept, you know how it is, you know how it be. Let's turn on these lights right now and let's start swapping cars around because it looks like it's gonna be raining. I see the weather, I just checked the weather app and it looks like it's gonna be raining all week. So I guess perfect to fix the Subaru, right? I'm too sleepy for this. Let me get some coffee and move these cars around. Okay, so now that the Subaru's back in the garage, I hate that it's wet, man. It's gonna make working on it a pain. But I organized all the cars. That's one of the things I always have to do before I can actually work on my car, is organize everybody else's car so I have enough space that I want. But last night when I was moving it, and I'm probably gonna have to jack it up so you guys can hear it, but this thing has a lot of play. And that's no bueno. No bueno at all. I'm even missing a lug nut. I'm missing 3 of the aftermarket ones that I bought, but I'm missing 1 lug nut of like the stock ones. So that's no bueno either. We're gonna have to order some. So why do this now? Well, 1, I'm trying to find out what the problem is as soon as I can so I can order the parts and get this thing back on the road. And 2, Georgia had like an amazing week where the sun was out and it was beautiful outside, but now it's all rainy and gloomy and everything. So perfect time to bust my ass and keep working on this car. So that next week when it's sunny again, because Georgia has crazy weather, I can actually go to some more meets. But let's move out all these things, jack the car up from the front, and let's put on some gloves and figure out what the problem is. Okay, got my 4-pin, I don't know what they're called, but they're basically, they have a different size on each side. Different size socket on each side, so it makes it easier to take off the lugs, therefore making it way easier to take off the tires. And then this jack, I got a Harbor Freight. I think it was like 80 bucks or 60 bucks. I think it was like 60 bucks as I got it when they were on sale. Low profile, 3-ton jack. That's all you need, baby. That's all you need. All right, let's jack it up. I'm jacking it up from, you can't really see in the camera, but there's a midpoint right where the rack and pinion goes. There's like a little plate that Subaru has, and that's essentially where I'm jacking it up from. Now, I'm going very slow because I don't want to lift the whole car. I just want to get enough to lift the tire up to tell me, you know, what the heck's wrong with it. Okay, we're off the ground. Quick little side question. Which lip do you guys recommend? Because I'm tired of this one. This is like a cheap eBay lip that the owner had when I bought it. I just kept it there, and look at this. That is a lot of goddamn play. Let's check the other side real quick. See, nothing. This one's good. This one's Gucci. There's no noise. There's no nothing. Then again, this one does have the 5 lug nuts, but I don't think that's why my tire is loose, because it feels loose. Let's go ahead and take it off and see if we can diagnose it a little bit better once it's off. Oh my god, this thing is just a bit loose. But why? Like, you guys saw that I haven't even gotten the right one in there, and this thing's already loose. Dude, that is sketchy. How is that even possible? Is that what happened with my other 3 lugs? There's no freaking way. Like, I'm not even putting pressure on this. What the heck is going on this side of the car, man? This thing is almost out. Okay, if I can take it out with this, then these wheels were not tight at all. What? They're coming off. They're not supposed to be coming off. There's no way that this little thing is supposed to be able to take off your lugs. If there's no play in the actual hub, then we're good. We're money. It just means that the tire was loose. Tire looks pretty good. No nuts or screws in it. The tire looks healthy. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to look your tires, but it doesn't look bad. Let's see over here. Let's see how much play. I mean, a tiny bit. But that shouldn't cause my whole freaking. There's no. What? Oh, this goes right there. It's just a little cover piece for your rim. It's a little like spacer. I'm confused. I mean, there's a tiny bit of play, but that's here. It's not in the actual. Not in the actual hub. Let me show you guys. So I do have WRX brakes, and I want to take these off to paint them, powder coat them, essentially saying Subaru again, but the previous owner painted them in blue. And I do have drilled and slotted brakes, but it's time for new ones because the pads, they look pretty worn out, especially because I had the car sitting for a while. So look at that. It's just not. It just has different lines, different markings. It's time for new ones. But my main problem today, I think it was just the lug nuts. There's no way that's it, but I think it is. Because there's no play here. Like none. Like I'm shaking the whole freaking car with the jack. I mean, there's a little bit play here, but that's of course from the actual thing. Okay, that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think the problem was. And I got nothing. I'm pretty sure it was just the lug nuts. I'm pretty sure they were just not... since I was rocking these and aftermarket ones, that they were just giving it mixed signals, because the RPF ones everywhere else, they're good, they're mint. So I'm really blown away. But let me know if you think that was the problem, or I should go ahead and replace my wheel bearing, or I don't know. I'm pretty stuck here. Let me know in the comment section below what lip you think I should get. What color do you think I should paint my brake calipers? I think red will look good. Like we make the Subaru white or black, and then we make the actual caliper red to match this, and then we'll go again with drilled and slotted brakes. And I want to know what you guys think, what color I should be using, because I want to paint the rims again. I want to give it a different style, a different look. They're RPF ones, yes, they're original, but everybody rocks the black RPF ones, man. I'm either thinking silver or a different color. So let me know in the comment section down below. But Jesus Christ, I can't believe that was our problem. There's no way, man. There's no way. I'm gonna take a few videos and send them to my friends that are actual mechanics, because I'm just trying to figure it out. And I'll let you guys know what they say. But that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Adios. Let me know before I start ordering parts what you think it is. Adios.